Hey there, congratulations on starting up with CARE. We are removing subluxation. Hopefully you're getting started in the office adjusting, and you've also started your way with your home care. What we want to talk about though is not only to reduce the amount of subluxation you currently have, but how do you stop making subluxation and spinal damage in the first place? A lot of our daily activities, and the daily activities, the thing you're doing every single day with posture and sleeping, these are creating a lot of damage. So Dr. Ulam is going to walk us through, I'll be you, from a patient standpoint, on what you can do at work and at home to really minimize the damage of subluxation.
So we're going to talk about a couple scenarios here. The first one is going to be lifting or picking something up off the ground. Now this doesn't have to be 500 pounds that you're lifting. This can be as simple as picking a laundry basket up, or you dropped your pen on the ground at work and you're trying to bend over to pick it up. The main thing that we want to focus on is getting the spine in the right position as we do it. So I dropped my pen on the ground, Dr. Lindengood's going to pick it up. Now this is the not so good way to do it here. So number one, the back is completely rounded. So when we talk about spinal posture, we want to think about keeping our spine in a straight position. And so we don't want to be rounding it, and we definitely don't want to be twisting off to the side when we go down like that. That can cause some serious injuries, not only to the soft tissues in here, but create a lot of subluxation as well in the low back. So the correct way to do this, whenever you're going down to pick something up, the best way to do it is just what he did right there, is bend the knees down like you're performing a squat. And you can see the back stays nice and flat all the way through here. There's no rounding of the back like we saw when he bent at the waist. So instead of bending at the waist to pick something up, we go straight from the hips, perform a squat straight down. The other way that you could do it would be to drop to one knee. If you can't get all the way down to the squat position, drop to one knee like that. The back is still straight in through here, reducing any chances of subluxation when we're doing that. So like I said, it doesn't have to be a heavy weight. You can really hurt yourself just by having yourself in a bad position. So this is the best way to actually get something off the ground.
Sounds great. Reducing that obviously is extremely important if you are lifting any sort of weight, but just keep that in mind all the time. We're causing a lot of damage, especially if you're working construction or some kind of heavy lifting job.